Rastafaro. Blessings of wholeness, family. Welcome back to my channel. We got a windy day in Vancouver, but it's sunny. We're enjoying it nonetheless. As I mentioned in some of my videos before, vitamin D and magnesium go together. So today we're gonna learn how to make your own magnesium oil. And why is magnesium so important? Well, for one, look at all this beautiful green around us. Beautiful. Well, that green is coming from chlorophyll that's in plants. And what's at the center of the chlorophyll molecule? You guessed it, magnesium. So magnesium is basically responsible for all this beautiful green that we have on Earth. Plus it's responsible for taking energy from the sun, taking light from the sun, and making it energy for a plant. Which, that's enough for me, but I know some of y'all are a hard bargain. So I'm gonna give you some more reasons why magnesium is so important. One, we could think of magnesium as the thing that helps us relax. So calcium is needed for contraction of muscles. Magnesium is needed for relaxation of muscles, right? Magnesium relaxes the nerves. Magnesium allows the bones to move and be a little bit flexible, or else they would break so much easier than they already do. So that's why you see in the older population bones break so easily. A lot of it brittle bones, not as malleable and flexible as we'd like them. Another thing about magnesium that's so powerful is it is necessary for energy in the human being. In actually all beings, but in the human, there's something called ATP, which is the basic energy molecule for us humans. And in order for ATP to be utilized, we need magnesium. So we got energy, we got relaxation. For me, it helps me chill, helps me sleep, helps me relax. And it also helps with muscle recovery. And as I mentioned, magnesium is important for vitamin D. Even if we have all this vitamin D, if we don't have magnesium, our body isn't able to utilize it. So what we're gonna do is head inside and I'm gonna show you the best magnesium oil recipe so you're not all stingy, itchy, and annoyed after you put it on. And it's just gonna make your skin nice and smooth, get a nice glow. Without further ado, let's do. So there you have it, some high-grade magnesium oil with rose and MSM. I like to use this before I go out into the sun. So before I'm about to get that vitamin D into my system, I'll put this on. And I also like to put it on before bed. It's relaxing. And if I ever have sore muscles, of course I do, I like to spray this directly onto the muscles that are sore. And I find it just helps relax me, helps put me at ease. So those are the times I use it, about 10 to 20 sprays each time. And the best thing about this recipe is the rose actually helps calm and soothe the otherwise irritating magnesium oil. If you've ever tried magnesium oil on its own, it can be stinging and itchy. So the rose makes it so it's nice and calming, nice and soothing, and actually a pleasurable experience. And the MSM in here is blessed because MSM is really just a pure sulfur supplement. And it's so good for your skin, good for recovery, good for your muscles, joints, cartilage, and it just helps with absorption of different things into your cells. So when you put this onto your skin, it absorbs into your skin the same way magnesium does. So when you have magnesium and you have MSM in one formula, it's magic. For me, it's yeah, you gotta put them together. So this right here is a truly blessing. Give it a shot and see how it works because, we're so deficient of magnesium as a population. So having something like this to help make sure that you're getting magnesium into your system is just a blessing. Feed your skin the same way you feed your insides, you feed your stomach. Feed the skin. Your skin's gonna love it. Your skin's gonna thank you. So I thank you myself Much love. Thank you for watching this video. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Ja Rastafaro.